I'm fishing a lake in France with a few mates this week. It's October time, the end of the year when the fish have been pressured every day, every week since April. We're in October now, so I tend to move off the angling pressure pretty quickly. First couple of days I had some pretty good fishing.
Wow. 60, 66, 60, 65, 14.
And then they seem to have moved out of the areas in the middle of the lake, so I walked down this bank to the left of my swim and found some cheekily hidden underneath the tree behind me. So I started introducing a bit of bait. I got them feeding. I can't quite see whether there's any huge fish in there. There's water's a bit too coloured, to be honest with you, but I definitely got them going on the bait, so I'm going to try and give it a go, see what I can catch. So I'm going to quiet as I can, lower a bait in, and let's see what happens. I've got a rod tucked right in underneath that tree. I've got a few fish feeding, so we'll just have to wait and see what happens. Oh no! No. Gutted. Oh no. What happened there? What happened there? Jimmy, can you hear me? Yeah. Got him on. You just grab the video and do the video, Jimmy. It's recording now, it's just there, just close the tripod legs up. And just...
one, mate.
Yes, nice one, stalked from under the tree. This time it stayed on. Excellent. Right, we'll keep that in the water and get ourselves sorted out. There he is, 41 pound, stalked from under that tree. Brilliant fun. 2 foot from the edge.